Ayaw magaling.
Okay.
Sorry.
My birthday wish for you is that you stop saying brain rot for the rest of your life.
I won't do
More
that.
birthdays to come. Don't tire me. Oh, birthday wish. Birthday wish.
Tangin lang yan.
Alex, ano ba?
Oh my God, Alex, you're 61 or 69. What?
Happy 61st birthday, Alex!
Happy senior citizen!
Wait lang, oy, oy, wait lang. Wish. Wish.
I can say it or it won't come true. It will come true.
Just blow on it.
Ala.
Hey, yo. Yeah!
Happy birthday! Okay na.
Alright, let's start with the birthday wish.